In case you want to join our program or you just want the books, mocks, shortcut, just call the numbers given here and my team can help you out. Or you can attend the demo lecture which is happening on Monday with G Strategy. This is the right time to start preparing for the CAT exam. Fine, for CAT 2022. And today we're going to make a self-study plan, how to do self-study for the CAT exam. If you are going to give CAT 22, I want you to go and visit the center of CAT 2021. Yes, मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप वहाँ जाके आओ. Try to understand the tension among the students. Try to understand the stress level going on, so that even though you might not have filled the CAT form, but you can still feel the vibes, and that's very, very important. Okay, so if you want to self-study for the CAT exam, you can't join any coaching classes because of some XYZ reason. Main point you have to take care if you're going to do self-study is going to be giving regular mocks. I recommend giving one mock every 15 days. I want to give regular mocks next year from August onward, but abhi say once in a month, once in a 15 days, you have to give a mock. Fine. In CETing login ID, we have baby mocks. Yeah, so baby mocks is baby mock. Okay, easy mock. So one mock every month if you can give, that's the best thing. 15 days if you're a repeater. If you're going to do it for the first time, then one mock every month is a good deal. We also have chota mocks, baby mocks, which are going to be given, chota mocks are 150 small tests, which you have to give every day, because I want to get used to the timer from day one. Score kam aayega, yaar, obviously score kam aayega. The moment you get up, give a test, sorted. So it's more of a test heavy strategy which I'm going to give, number one. Number two is your books. Your target should be to complete the syllabus by March. Fine, those who are joining us at CETing for CAT 22 program, I'm giving them same target. Let's do the basics. Complete the basics, complete the orange books by March. Okay, which can be easily done. You can complete the orange books by March. Okay, the moment we're done with the books, March, we'll start with the advanced level book, phase 2. Phase 1 basics, phase 2 advanced. So if you are doing self-study, instead of doing it in the class, you're doing it yourself. March tak mujhe basic khatam kar do. And then we go for the advanced level, number 2. Okay, otherwise whichever books you already have bought, follow them. Fine, again focus on doing the basics first, then going for the advanced level. Now we move to the third part. The most important part is making a weekly timetable. Guys, making a timetable is very, very important. Long-term plan I've already given you. By March end you have to do this. So same way, when you're going for the CAT exam, your target is by August, next year August, you should cross 50 marks average in the mocks. 50 marks in the mocks, target by August next year. So that by September, October, November, I can then only go for the mocks khel ke, I can target 99 percentile, which is 100 marks. Okay, your target is 100 marks. Now third pointer talks about the how to strategize myself today. Sir, August ka chodo, abhi ke batao kya karu. So weekly targets. ceting.com/cat, I'm going to give you weekly targets. If you can follow those targets, and every Monday morning I'll make a video on that. कि भाई ये हफ्ते का ये target है, this is the target you have to follow. If you can follow the target, no one can stop you from getting a good score. Okay, so 3 things: books, mocks, and your timetable. If you can set these 3 things, guys, even if you watch a movie every day, you can go to IIMS. Alright, all the best.